Let's go to Krka, baby.
Let's go.
Free car park. That's always a winner. The entrance of a national park. Whoa, 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 that's a tree. What is going on?
I can feel it migrating. Oh, look at it. It's pretty cute.
It's like a cinnamon swirl.
It is proper cinnamon swirly.
It's like something from Star Trek.
The bun is leveling up
Like,
right now.
I don't understand the physics of this bun.
I don't understand it. It's not moving that much.
It looks like it's a separate entity. So, we're about 500 meters away from the van. Walked down a hill, having a first break, as you do.
Can I be your friend? Oh. Did you fall? Did you fall in that hole? Did you fall in that hole?
Bring in.
Playing Pokemon? Pokemon!
Oh yeah. Do you know why ducks are the funniest animals?
Don't know.
Because they're always quacking people up. Upward.
Those people think we're weirdos. The drum got caught in. Mad windy there.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
What do you think of this place?
I love that. Very naturally.
You almost went in. The bus exit's not going to be back until 15 minutes.
Okay.
So we have to take the path.
Oh no, the path back up.
Yeah.
Oh, Philly, that's going to take more than 15 minutes.
Your thighs are going to be burning.
Honestly, I hate uphill so much.
Really? I've never said.
It's just the worst.
Look at that face.
I'm actually not okay.
That face doesn't appreciate life right now.
Nope.
Come on.
I've lost the plot. I'm about to have a mental breakdown.
You got this. We made it! Victory? Why do you look so worried?
V for victory. We need to make our way to the other entrance because the one we came in is one that you can only get through the park on boat, and the boats aren't on at the minute. We have 1 hour left of this park being open and we need to quickly drive to the other entrance and see if we can see any of this park. This could end up being a how not to see Krka Park video.
What we did see was still pretty beautiful, but there's a lot more that we have yet to see.
Yeah.
Guys, you know it's officially coming into winter when you break out the beanies. What is happening? Martha? Keely is with the drone somewhere down here. See if there's anything worthwhile to look at. But the sun is going down and I must say it's a beautiful day for it.
Krka National Park is one of the most beautiful places we've been on this trip in Croatia. We definitely recommend coming to it in the autumn for numerous reasons. 1, it's a bit cooler but the skies are still clear. 2, there's a lot less people. But thirdly, and most importantly, is you get to see these gorgeous rich golden tones in the trees. And for next level beauty, make sure you stay for golden hour to watch the sun come down over this absolutely stunning park. Thank you so much for joining us on our day out, and we really hope you guys find this just as beautiful as we did. See you tomorrow!